Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you a project of magic of science. You can see here we have taken this type of project. Here you can see that we have two nuts. One nut is here and this is attached with a blue string to another nut. And you can see also here that this nut is attached to a yellow string attached and a nut is attached at this end. Now see, this is the setup, or we can say that this is our project. Now let's see what we can do with this project. You can see here that this string is blue and this nut is attached with this nut, and nut is attached with a yellow string and this is attached with this nut. Now we are going to make a magic with this setup, you see here, and in the members section we will reveal how we have done it. So be a member of our channel and you will get the solution of every magic of science. Now you see here that I have taken this one here, and you see here this string is attached to this string. You see here, if I pull this string, it goes up, right? Here you see, right? Now if you pull this one, it goes down. Here it goes down. Now what happens if we pull this yellow string? Let's see what happens. You see, if we pull this string yellow, what happens? Let us see now. Here you see that if we pull this yellow string, what happens? Yes, it goes up, right? And we pull this one, it again goes down. Now suppose we want to pull this string and this will go up. Can it be possible? Let us see whether it can be possible or not. If we pull this blue string and let this yellow string come up, let's see whether it is possible or not. Here you see, we have taken this one. You see here, we have taken this one and pull this string such that the yellow string goes up. Is it possible? Let us do and see whether it is possible or not. You see here, we have taken this one. You can see now. See what? Right? And if we pull this blue string, what happens? Let us see. We are pulling this blue string, right? And see what happens. You see, the yellow string goes up. How is it possible? That is a magic of science, right? If you see, again if I blew this yellow string, let's see what happens. See, if I pull this yellow string, the blue goes the same way. Now you see here, both the strings are of same length. Now if I pull this one, will this blue string goes up? Let us try again, right? Let us try whether if I pull this yellow string, blue string will goes up or not. Is it possible? Let us see whether it is possible or not. You see here, you can see here that this is the yellow, this is the blue string. Now if I pull this one yellow, let's see whether this blue string goes up or not, right? Let's see. You see, the blue string goes up. But how is it possible? This is a magic of science. You can see that it is only a magic. If I pull this yellow string, will this yellow string goes up? Let's see. Yes, and see both the strings are same. Now you see here that this length is up to much this here. Can I increase this length of this string? Let's see whether you can increase it or not. Here you see this one is up to from here to here. If we pull the string, let us see what happens. Again you see this one, right? Now we are putting this blue string and let's see what happens. You see here, right? And if I pull this one, the blue string goes down, right? Now see this one is the yellow string. If I pull this yellow, you see here, we are pulling this nut and it goes up. And if we pull this yellow string, it goes down. How is it possible? In the member section, we'll reveal how we have made this project. So be a member of our channel and we'll learn all the magic of science and the tricks behind the science. Now you see, again we are trying to pull this one and see whether this yellow string will goes up or not. You see here, we have taken this one and let's see, here see blue string. See here, this is the blue string. Let's pull the blue string and see yellow goes up, right? If I pull this one yellow and see the yellow string will goes up, and see both the string are of same length. How is it possible? Is it possible? Let us do once again. You see here, this is the green string. If I pull this one, you see it goes up. If we pull this knot, it goes down. See here, right? Let's see with the yellow string. This is the yellow string. Let's see whether it comes up or not. You see, with the blue string, with the yellow, it goes up. And if you pull this one, it goes down. Now you see whether if I pull this yellow string, this blue string will goes up or not. Let us see whether it is possible or not. Here you see, we are pulling this yellow string. We are pulling this yellow string and let's see what happens. See? Again you see. Now see, the length of the string increases. You see, how is it possible? That is a question. You see, this one gets smaller. If you pull this string, what happens? See, the yellow goes up. Right? You see, the yellow goes up. You see here, the yellow goes up. How is it possible? Is it possible? Now you see, if you pull this one, it goes up. Now you see, these are of same length. Right? Once again you see, if you pull this one, it goes up. If you pull this one, it goes down. In the same way, if we take the yellow string, you see, if we pull this one, it goes up. And if we pull this one, it goes down. Is it okay? Now, we'll try whether if we pull this one, this blue string goes up or not. That we will try. You see how we are doing. You see here, this one. We are pulling this yellow string and we see whether the blue string goes up or not. Yes, it is. But how is it possible? You see, this one is possible. See one. If I pull this blue one, let's see whether the yellow string goes down or not. Yes, it is. And you see, both the strings are of same length. Now you see, if I pull this one, this blue, we'll see whether this yellow string goes up or not. You see here, we are pulling this blue. See here, we are pulling this one. See, the yellow string goes up. How is it possible? Is there any magic? Yes, it is the magic of science only and magic of tricks only. will reveal the magic of science or tricks of this one in the member section. So be our members and reveal the magic of science. We'll reveal the magic of science and you can make this type of project for your channel and your videos will be viral within few days and your channel will be monetized within few days. Let us see once again. You see here, you put it here in the middle and you see if we draw this one, the blue goes up, yellow goes up, and you see there is a change in the length of the string. How is it possible? See here, and if I pull this one, there is a length, change the length of the string. You see one, right? If you pull this one, what happens? You see the blue color goes up. You see they are of same length. How is it possible? The length of the blue string is increases, and sometimes the yellow string is also increases. You see, if we pull this one, the length of yellow string will increase. You see here. How is it possible? Right? See one. If I pull this one, now they are of same length. You see here. How is it possible? This is a magic of science. Let us do once again. Here you see, if I pull this green string, you see here, it goes up. If you pull this one, it goes down. Right? And if I for yellow, you see, if I pull this one, it goes up. And if you pull this one, it goes down. Right? Now, if you want to, you see here, if I pull this one, what happens? Let's see. If I pull this blue nut, let's see what happens. You see here. Yes, the yellow string goes up. Right? And here you see, if I pull this one, the blue string goes down. And they are of same length. Now, if you want to increase the length of this string, can we? Yes, we can. You see here, if we are increasing this length, you see here, the length of the blue string is increasing. Can increase the length of the yellow string? Let's see whether you can increase it or not. You see here. Yes, you see, this is the length of the yellow string. How is it possible? Right? Let us see the last time whether it is working or not. You see here, this is the blue string. If you up, yes, it is goes up, it goes down. Here you see the yellow string here up, and this is down. Right? Now, if you want to change this one, if you pull this one, let's see what happens to the yellow string. You see, it goes up. Right? And if you pull this one, let's see what happens. Right? Now, if you pull the yellow string, what happens? Let's see. You are pulling the yellow string. You see here. See here. We are pulling the yellow string, and let's see what happens. You see, the blue string goes up, right? And if you pull this one, the yellow string goes and they are of same length. How is it possible? This is actually a magic of science. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And thank you everybody for watching this video. You can make this project if you know what trick is behind this magic. So, if you want to know what is the trick behind this magic, be our members. We will reveal the magic of science in the member section. And you know that we have 3 membership One is silver membership, one is gold membership, and another one is diamond membership. So be our members and reveal the magic of science. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please press the notification bell so that all our videos will reach to you whenever we upload the videos. Thank you again.